Lenovo G50-45 laptops, or another laptop that has an AMD A8 6410 CPU with the R5 graphics. Good luck trying to upgrade this. From my research, and probably why I'm making this video, is to let you know that it does not appear to be possible. Supposedly these are all soldered in, the CPUs. So basically everybody's suggesting a new laptop. Wish I'd known that before I bought it. Not sure if that would have made a difference in my decision, but it's nice to know. So that's my findings. If you happen to find out otherwise, comment down below, and I would love to hear about it. Thank you.